G'day everybody, I'm Rory from Propeller, and we're making drone data easy. So drones are going to be under every Christmas tree this Christmas, but they're already having a big impact in some of Australia's biggest industries. It's now really easy and quick to inspect an asset, a dam, a telecommunications tower, and it's much easier and faster to survey large areas of land in construction and resources. There's a problem though. If you were to go out and hire one of Australia's 350 drone operators to come and inspect or survey your site, you'd be faced with not only the tender process of organising the drone survey, but then once that survey is completed, you've got literally a folder full of JPEGs, photos, handed over on a USB key, and it's up to you as a data customer to turn that into something useful, whether you're a quarry owner or a dam owner or a mine planner. Propeller fixes this. Propeller takes raw data from drones, the raw imagery, and we turn it into meaningful outputs and give the users all the tools they need to turn that into actual end value in their browser. It's very simple and it looks like this. It's high resolution mapping in a similar Google Earth interface. It's not just 2D though, it's all actually in 3D. So we're not sending contours anymore, we're sending 3D data. With this, you want to start checking your volumes. So we can just click around a pile and you'll see the volume pops up. As a Quarry Manager, you might want to see how that site's changed compared to last month. So we can see both numerically here the net change, but also visually, just with a gross representation and sort of time series of information. We can keep track of road grades for site compliance, for making sure that your roads aren't too steep or you're not using too much diesel in your trucks. And there's an asset tool to measure, to look at and annotate high up or hard to get to assets. And of course, it comes with all the cloud benefits. We've got secure and easy sharing to get the most out of the value, out of the platform, sorry, out of the data. So how does Propeller make money? We started off actually by going and engaging with big end data customers themselves and talking through what they might need out of this drone data. We don't fly any drones. We don't fly or own any drones though. We ended up subcontracting this work to a network of local operators here in Australia and abroad who own the drones and fly. That's their bread and butter. What happened though was that as these drone operators on the right started using this data and delivering it to our customers through our platform, the drone operators saw how their data was more useful and how their customers were engaging more. So now we gave them a white labeled version of the platform and they continue to deliver their data to their customers using our software. This puts us in a really interesting position though, in the middle of this new industry where we've got data customers on one side asking for new types of data and drone operators on the other side that are spending the time to go and capture the data. With some great support here in Australia from both investors and a notable mention to Data61, we're actually in a position to go and export this, great Australian tech to the world. Australia was the first country with a legalized drone sort of licensing process where an individual can go and fly a drone commercially. So with that sort of insight that we get to learn really quickly here, what we're seeing is it's rolling out in a similar fashion elsewhere. And like I said, we're in a really good position to take this elsewhere. We've had a great run so far. We've raised just over $1 million in seed round from some really amazing people, not just in the room but elsewhere. We're a team of 8 and we're working on great products, great solution and a really exciting new industry. So come and catch us after this if you've got any more questions. Thanks.